Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add guests in monday.com. So first of all, open up Google. Now in here, type in here monday.com. Monday.com. Hit enter. Now in here, you will have to log in using your account. But first of all, make sure to click on these three dots at the top right, and in here enable this option saying desktop site. Now once you're at the home page of monday.com, open up the project in which you want to add guests. I will go for this random project. Now once you're here, click on these three dots at the top right. Now in here, click on settings. In here, click on change board type, and in here, click on change to shareable. And in here, click on change board to shareable. Now after the board has been changed to shareable, click on invite at the top right again. And in here, you will have two options saying board guests and invite board members. Now in here, just type in the name or the email of the guest that you want to add. An invite will be sent to those guests, they can accept it, and they would be added as guests. So that is how you can add someone as guest in monday.com.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add guests in monday.com. So first of all, open up the project that you want to add guests in. Now once you're in the project, click on these three dots at the top right, click on it. Now in here, click on settings, and in here, click on change board type and select change to shareable. In here, click on change board to shareable. Now after you're done with that, click on invite right here. And in here, you have the option saying board guests. And you can invite them by either using their email or the name associated with monday.com. So that is how you can add guests in monday.com.